Eggs and Chicks. Usborne Beginners, Eggs and Chicks by Fiona Patchett, designed by Josephine Thompson and Nicola, Butler. Here we have a table of contents. It's going to tell us all the interesting things we're going to cover in this book, starting with parents and chicks. All birds lay eggs which hatch into chicks. Most birds take care of their chicks as they grow. Penguin chicks stay close together to keep warm. Their parents stand nearby. Building a nest. Most birds build nests to keep their eggs safe. They use things they find nearby to build them. This puffin collects grass to fill its nest. A bird brings twigs to a tree. It uses its beak to join them together. It adds moss, roots, and grass and makes them into a cup shape. The bird presses down to make a hollow in the nest. Chaffinches can make 1,300 trips a day to collect things for their nests. Unusual nests. Nests can be many shapes and sizes, but some birds have very clever ways of building nests. A tailor bird makes a row of holes around a leaf. It sews the leaf shut with cobwebs, then fills it with feathers. A hummingbird's nest is tiny. It is made from cobwebs and plants. Weaver birds build grass nests that hang from branches. Cave swiftlets make their nests from spit. Laying eggs. Some birds don't lay their eggs in a nest. They lay them in different places. Guillemots lay eggs on cliffs. Their eggs are pointed. If an egg is pushed, it rolls in a circle. It does not roll off the cliff. Black skimmers lay their eggs on sandy beaches. Flamingos lay their eggs on mounds of mud. Kingfishers lay their eggs in holes on a riverbank. Keeping warm. Birds need to keep their eggs warm so a chick can grow inside. An emperor penguin balances its eggs on its feet. Its body keeps the egg warm. Penguins balance their egg on their 2 feet for 2 months. Mallee fowls bury their eggs under soil and leaves. The leaves rot and give out heat, which keeps the eggs warm. A bird may lose feathers on its chest. The bare area helps to keep its eggs warm. Inside an egg. When an egg is laid, a chick starts to grow inside. The red spot on the yolk starts to grow into a chick. This is the yolk. There's the red spot. The yolk contains food which helps the chicken to grow. There's the chick starting to grow. The chick grows bigger. The white protects the chick. There's the egg white right here. Chicks take from 10 days to 75 days to grow inside an egg. The chick grows to look like a tiny bird with a beak, eyes, and feet. A chick cheeps inside its eggs. Its parents can hear its call. Hatching. When a chick is strong enough, it hatches from its egg. It has an egg tooth. A chick has a lump on its beak called an egg tooth. It uses its egg tooth to make holes around the shell. The chick pushes the top off the egg, then rests for a while. The chick struggles out of the shell. Its feathers are damp. The chick's feathers dry and become fluffy. The chick doesn't need its egg tooth, and it soon drops off. See there? He's losing his egg tooth. In the nest. Chicks born in nests have thin feathers. They stay in the nest until more feathers grow. Chicks are born with their eyes closed. Feathers start to grow on their bodies. After a few days, their eyes will open. Soon the chicks don't fit in the nest. These egret chicks have to grow stronger feathers before they can leave the nest. It's a pretty tight fit in that nest. Cuckoo chicks. Some cuckoos don't build nests. They lay their eggs in the nest of other birds. A cuckoo lays its egg in another bird's nest and flies away. The bird sits on the nest and keeps all the eggs warm. When the cuckoo hatches, it pushes out the other eggs. A cuckoo chick is often bigger than the adult bird to which feeds it. Cuckoo chicks call again and again, so adult birds will bring them more food. Dinner time. Chicks need lots of food to help them grow. They eat things like insects, seeds, or fish. Fairy terns feed their chicks with fish. The chick swallows the fish whole. Some chicks try to push other chicks away to get the most food. A mother arrives with a worm. Her chicks open their mouths. She pushes the worm into a chick's mouth and flies off for more. A chick's mouth is very bright inside. This shows its parents where to put the food. They look hungry. First flight. Chicks know how to fly when they hatch, but they need to be strong before they leave the nest. Chicks try flapping their wings a lot. When their wings are strong, they jump from the nest. They stretch their wings and glide to the ground. This baby fairy tern is flapping its wings, but it can't fly until its feathers have grown. Some birds ignore their chicks so that they have to leave their nest to look for food. Good parents. Birds take care of their chicks until they are big enough to take care of themselves. Swans carry their chicks on their back. Baby swans are called cygnets. There are her cygnets. Male swans scare animals away from their cygnets by puffing up their feathers. Some chicks hide in their mother's feathers to keep them safe. Can you see them in there? In hot places, birds have to keep their chicks cool. An emu uses its body to protect its chicks from the sun. A shoebill showers its chick with water to keep it cool. Growing up. Baby birds learn how to take care of themselves by watching their parents. This huabara bustard chicks are learning how to hunt for food by watching their mother. Chicks copy the songs their parents sing. Chicks follow the first thing they see. It's usually their mother. If they see another animal, they think that animal is their mother. Look at this. The little baby ducks are going after, or geese are trying to follow the dog. Ducklings know how to swim as soon as they hatch. They don't need to learn. Different eggs. Some eggs are plain and some are speckled. There are lots of shapes and sizes of eggs. Plovers lay their eggs among the stones on the beaches. The eggs are speckled. They are hard to spot among the stones. When the chicks hatch, they are hard to spot too. Boy, they really do blend in, don't they? The stones, you can hardly see where the eggs are, and then the babies look just like the stones. Wow. All these eggs are their actual sizes. This ostrich egg is the biggest of its kind. Hummingbirds are the smallest. The American golden plover egg, right there. Now you can see the difference with my finger here and how tiny. It's about the size of my fingernail. Here's an Arctic tern egg, a kestrel egg, a blue-winged pita egg, and an American robin egg. Wow. Glossary of bird words. Here are some of the words in this book you might not know. This page tells you what they mean. A nest. It's a place that birds build to keep their eggs and chicks safe. The yolk. The yellow part in the middle of an egg. It helps the chick to grow. Hatch. When a chick breaks out of its egg through the shell. Egg tooth. The part of a chick's beak which it uses to break the egg shell. Cygnet. A baby swan. Duckling. A baby duck. Speckled. Covered with lots of little dots that make a pattern. Now maybe you can reread this video or rewatch this video and see if you can notice where we said the word nest, yolk, hatch, egg tooth, cygnet, duckling, and speckled. I hope you enjoyed Eggs and Chicks.